Good morning. Welcome back to the social science classes. In today's classes, we are going to deal with about economics. That is our new lesson. That is none other than development. What do you mean by development? Was the question, right? Yeah, we will be go through the what is the development meaning and all its futures. See, this idea of development or progress, the development we can call as the progress also have always seen with us, right? We have aspiration or desire about what would like to do and how would like to live. Similarly, we have ideas about about what a country should be like. What are the essential things that we require? Can life is better for all? How should people live together? Can there be more equality? Development involves thinking about these questions and about the way in which we can work towards achieving these goals. This is a complex task, and in this chapter we shall make a beginning at understanding development. You will be learn more about these issues is greater depth in higher classes. Okay. Also, you will be find answers to many of these questions, not just in economics but also in your course in history and political science. This is because the way we live today is influenced by the past. We can't desire for change without being aware of this. In the same way, it is only through a democratic political process that these hopes and possibilities can be achieved in real life. What are development promises different people, different goals? You want a car? The way of our country is set up, all you can hope for is maybe to one day own the rickshaw you pull. Let us try to imagine that what is the development or progress like to mean to different person listed here in the table 1.1. What is the aspirations? Okay, the category of person, development goals and aspiration. Landless and rural laborers, their development goals, more days of work and better wages. Local school is able to provide quality education for their children. There is no social discrimination and they too can become leaders in village. Same thing, prosperous farmers from Punjab I have taken here, assured highly family income through their support prices for their crops and through hardworking and cheap laborers. They should be able to settle their children. The next column, farmers who depend only rain for growing crops, you have to answer for it. A rural woman from a land owing family, urban unemployed youth, a boy from a rich urban family, a girl from rich urban family. I will give an example for you. What is her goal? Maybe she gets as much freedom as her brother and is able to decide what she wants to do in life. She is able to pursue her studies abroad. An Adivasi from Narmada Valley. Having filled a table, 1.20 you have to fill. Let us know, examine it. Do all these persons have same notion of development progress? No, right? It's mostly like not. Each one of them seeks different things. They seek things that are most important from them. That means that which can fulfill their aspiration or desire. In fact, at a times, two person or groups of a person may be seeking which are conflicting. A girl expects much freedom and opportunity as her brother, and that he also shares in the household work. Her brother may not like this. Similarly, to get more electricity, industrialists maybe want more dams, but this may be submerged. It may be submerge the land, disrupt the lives of the people who are displaced, such tribes. They might be resent this. They may prefer small check dams or tanks to irrigate their land. So in these we can come to clear that quite clear we can there will be two difference, the two things here. One is different person can have different development goals, correct? And second one, what may be development for one may not be development for the other, it may be even restrict for the other. See, it is will be like it's a development for me, I am getting a car, it may be not a development for others, like the country will be, it may be not a single. So the wants, we are saying wants are unlimited, like that we can go the goals are the development in that income we can study. Let us go back to the table 1.1 again. You will notice common thing in that what people desire are regular work, better wages and decent price of their crops or other products that they produce. In the other words, they want more income. So they want the more income is a mention. Besides seeking more income, one way or other, people also seek things like equal treatment, freedom, security, and respect of others. Right? They resent discrimination. All these are important goals. In fact, in some cases, this may be more important than more income or more consumption, because material goods are not all that you need to live. Money or material things that one can buy with it is more factor on which our life depends, but the quality of our life is also depends on non-material things mentioned already above, right? If it is not obvious to you, the just think of the role of your friends in your life. You may desire their friendship. Similarly, there are many things that they are not easily measured, but they mean a lot to our lives. These are often ignored. The picture you what you are seeing, that is a demonstration meeting against raising the height of Sardar Sarovar Dam on Narmada River. So, however, we can take here, it will be a wrong to conclude that the cannot be measured is not important. Considering another example, if you are get a job in far off place, before accepting, you may think like this. It you try to consider many factors, right? Apart from income, yeah, I am getting a higher salary, but apart from such a facilities for your family, what you are giving, what is the working atmosphere or opportunity to learn. In another case, a job may gives you less pay but may offer regular employment that enhance your sense of security. Another job, however, may offer high pay but no job security and also leave no time for your family. This will reduce sense of security and freedom. Similarly, for development people, look at a mix of goals. Here the goals are not a defined, it will be mixed. Okay, it is true that if women are engaged in paid work, their dignity in the household and society is getting increases, right? However, it is also the case that if there is respect for women, there would be more sharing of housework and a greater acceptance of women working outside. A safe and secure environment may allow more women to take up the variety of jobs or run a business. Hence, development goals that people have are not only about the better income but also about other important things. Next time I am going to talk about the national development. Before that, here is the checkpoints for you. Let's work on this out and get back to me. Why do different persons have different nations of development? Which of the following explanation is more important and why? Option A, because people are different, because life situation of person are different. The next question, Do the following two statements mean the same? Justify your answer. People have different development goals. People have conflict development goals. Which two statements, what is the meaning of the same or not? You have to justify with your answer. And the third question is give some example where the factors other than income are important aspects of our lives, and explain the some of the important ideas of the above section in your own words. Next classes I'm going to speak, already I said, national income, and we can have a great how does the compare between the different countries or states. We'll be having an activity session and all those things. Stay tuned to GJS. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.